What's up, beautiful people? I'm Temari and welcome to my channel, All Things Temari. So guys, today I'll be doing another sit-down videos. This will be my last sit-down video in a while, I think. Okay, so I'll be talking about the whole Texas weather shutdown. You guys probably saw it literally all over the world. There was a whole bunch of car accidents and stuff like that, but none of that stuff affected my family. We were good. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk about it a little bit, talk about my experience. And yeah, so let's get into today's video. Okay, so I'm gonna first start off with Saturday. It was a little chilly outside. Wasn't that bad, but it was wear a coat chilly. And then Saturday was a decent day. I forgot what I was doing that day, but we were doing something. And then you do your whole little night routine, go to sleep. You wake up on Sunday. There's a good 3 inches of snow on the floor.
Look at you guys. Dallas, Texas. Snow. Hi. No! No!
It's not usual for here. And then I wake up Sunday, and I woke up around 5 something because our fan stopped going, and I can sense when our fan is off. So for anybody who does not know this already, I probably already mentioned this, but I love to sleep with the fan on, whether it's hot or cold outside, or hot or cold in the house in general. I cannot sleep without the fan on. Without the fan on. Yeah, without the fan on. I have experienced that many times. I either get too hot or I'm just very uncomfortable. Maybe it's a psychological thing. I don't know. But I cannot sleep with the fan off. So I woke up in the middle of the night and saw that our fan wasn't on. So I tried to go back to sleep, and I just couldn't go back to sleep. So of course I just looked at the I was like, man, it's cold, and I saw that our fan was on, so I looked at the temperature outside, and I was like, okay, that's not usual. And so I woke up, and when I tell you, I looked outside, and there were icicles hanging from the roof, and I was like, and it was still snowing. And so I lay back down, and I'm just like, okay, why is it snowing in Texas? And then my mom comes in, and she's like, good morning, we're not going to church today. I was like, okay. And then, wait. Yeah, she's like, good morning, we're not going to church today. I was like, okay. And so, it was Valentine's Day this happened. And I was like, okay, I guess so. And I was like, why? She was like, and she told us Saturday that we weren't going to do anything on Sunday, like not go out or anything, because the roads were going to be icy, and they said that was going to start snowing. And so Saturday night we went out to eat, and she was like, the roads are icy and the electricity is off. And we're like, the electricity is off and it's freezing, and we can't really watch anything, but the family that we're staying with, the wife of the family, she keeps up with all the news stuff, and they said that our electricity was supposed to be off for an hour. Well, our electricity was off on Monday from 7 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. Electricity was off for 7 hours and 30 minutes. And so we were like, okay. And so it stayed on for a good hour and a half. And we were able to get our electronics charged and everything. We were still able to eat because the stove downstairs is gas. And when you have a lighter, you can turn on the stove and light it with the lighter. And so we use that. And then we have a fireplace, so we turned on the fireplace. Literally everyone was sitting around the fireplace. Like I was saying, we're able to charge our things. And then around 5-ish, the electricity went off, and my mom was like, try to save your phone battery because we might need it. And I was like, okay. So we played dominoes and just card games. And so it was still off around 6-ish, so we started lighting candles around the house. Now I'll insert a video of the candles around the house. Whoa, I can't see anything. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some chickens in it. Really? Can I get some light, please? Okay, I guess I have to use my phone. And then my flash at the same time. Okay, hold on. So I don't know if any of you guys know, like, the circumstances that are going on in Texas right now. They obviously are, like, scared of snow. But there was a good 4.5 inches of snow. Here's the neighbor's snow, and then there is snow still on the roads. I don't know if you can see that, but there's still some snow left on the roads. But everyone's like terrified. I don't have school. It's been like 3 days. And it's been 4 days of us inside, literally going nowhere. So I'm pretty sure I'm not going outside because my mom does not want to get us sick. My mom went to work today. She's back. And I had a plan to vlog tomorrow, but my mom was like, you should have vlogged today. I'm just giving you some ideas. I was like, okay, fine. So I guess I'm gonna have to use my phone as a flashlight until I get down by the fireplace. So I'll see you guys down the fireplace. And we have literal candles set up everywhere. They turned off the electricity. Wow, they turned off the electricity. Anyway, so I'll catch you guys when it's time for the candles. And the candles are around the house for a good amount of time. And then the electricity came on at 10 something. On my phone. Okay. Preserve your energy. What percent you found at now? 77. Okay. I haven't touched my phone in 55. I didn't even touch it. Mine was at 81 and I haven't touched it. And it was just happening like on Tuesday. My mom went to work and the electricity did the same thing, went off around 8 a.m. Did not come back on till like 12:30. Came on around 4 and then went back off. Instagram. Let me see my dog. Oh, there. Hold on. I'm just trying to move the brother to me. I'm gonna go get some more. We're making a house for everybody. Well, no, on the couch. On the couch.
I ain't laying on no floor. I'm sitting on the corner of the couch. I ain't laying on no floor. I said that word.
No.
I ain't laying on no floor.
And then on Wednesday, that's when everything started to get fixed. Like, our electricity was on all the day of Wednesday. Like, really nothing. I don't think so. Yeah. No. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think so. But, it didn't really impact us as much as it did other people. And if you're watching this and you were impacted by it, I know it wasn't my fault, but I hope, and you were impacted by it, I hope you're doing good and well and you're staying safe. But our school, me and my sister's school, their pipes burst. Like, the water, it would freeze. The water in the house froze. And so we had to open the cabinet, like the bottom cabinets, and let a heater like get to the pipes so that the heater can melt the ice in the pipes. But at our school, there was a lot of water being used. So when there was a lot of water being used, the pipes, it will force through the frozen through the ice. So the pipes burst at our school. And I'm not sure any other place that I know of that the pipes burst, but they burst, and we were out of school for everybody was virtual for the whole week. But we were out of school that entire week, and now we're playing catch up in school. So I'd say that time was a good and a bad time because one, it was extremely cold. They turned off the electricity. A lot of things happened to different people, and it was good because it gave us a break from school and some people possibly a break from work. I don't even know why, like, that was not normal for Texas, but I'm gonna show you guys outside. It is, hold on. It is literally sunny outside. It is 72 degrees and feels amazing. That was our whole experience with the Texas shutdown. I think I'm going to not do the sit down videos for a while. It's not really my channel. It's not really what I do on my channel, so I'm gonna kind of slow down on the sit down videos. But hopefully next week's video will be. But I will put my latest video in the iCard. And I think the iCard is up. I think the iCard's up here. Or the iCard's, I keep forgetting where the iCard is. It's up here in one of these areas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I post videos every single Saturday. I am a lifestyle YouTuber. I do lifestyle videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. But until next Saturday.